decided not to draw on fall leaves, but this caught my eye and I couldn't stop myself to draw this. Welcome to DoodleCastle. Now you know what we are going to draw. Let's start. First with the maple leaf. I don't know what to talk here. Just follow the steps shown with pointed corners. Next one, common oak. Is the simple with the wavy outline. Third is the sugar maple. Here just stick the upper part and copy it to the both side. Next is horse chestnut leaf. These 5 leaves joined together with a common branch. And next, the original birch plant leaf with a wavy outline and veins inside. Black walnut leaf with easy drawing, and last is tulip plant leaves. Whenever I heard or read about autumn season, my mind started to think about the various shades of yellow, ochre yellow, orange, red, brown, and that vintage type colors, and so I'm applying it with blending of these colors. Follow and enjoy the next colorful steps. This is my first video with my voiceover, so I'm somewhat nervous. Please forgive me if there is any mistake. Does it look somewhat similar? Hope you like these fall leaves and blending and shading. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and see you in the next video.